It's Sunday.
It's Sunday! That means it's Subway Sunday time.
And you're with A&P Adventures. I'm Aaron.
And I'm Patrick. And if you don't already subscribe to us, hit us with a subscribe and a like, or any comments.
Yeah. And we're going to show off some Subway art today. Elizabeth Murray. It's called Blooming. We are right here at the base of Bloomingdale's, and we're going to show it off. Should we get going?
Let's get going.
Here we go. All right, so we are entering by Lexington Avenue and 59th Street, and again, we're basically going into the basement of Bloomingdale's. Maybe we'll find some deals, maybe like a clearance rack or something. And this entire work is called Blooming, and the work is by Elizabeth Murray, who was born in Chicago, educated in Chicago and Oakland. It was completed in 1996. And you're going to see it all throughout this station. These glass mosaics on the walls, down on the subway platform, but then a giant one that you'll see coming into view here in a minute on the mezzanine that connects the 4, 5, and 6 trains, as well as the N, the R, and the W trains. Now, this main mosaic is 120 feet long. It's pretty remarkable. Now again, the title of this piece is called Blooming, and it takes its title from Bloomingdale's, again, located directly above this station. And Murray viewed the subway as a dreamy underworld and a place to wake up. And so you see these pink trees and red shoes and this yellow coffee mug with the steaming coffee coming out. And I love how the mosaics here wrap around corners, they go down steps, they go through doorways. And Murray said that she added the stepping shoes and the steaming coffee cups because they're part of the ritual of every morning or evening subway trip for New Yorkers. And the images are really meant to stimulate thoughts about passage, passing from home to work, passing from station to station, train to train. Supposed to be different images, and the lines that you see included, the words here, are from In Dreams Begin Responsibility by William Yeats, as well as Conduct Your Blooming in the Noise and Whip of the Whirlwind by Gwendolyn Brooks. So you'll see both of those along the way. Again, this is all by Elizabeth Murray, born in Chicago. It was completed in 1996. And actually in 2005, she was only the 4th woman to receive a single artist retrospective at the Museum of Modern Art. She passed away in 2007, but it's nice to see these works remaining here in the Lexington 59th Street subway station. It was blooming cool.
It really was.
But thanks for joining us. If you like today's video, give us a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff.
You guys know what to do, all the things. And if you ever find yourself near the subway station at 59th Street and Lexington Avenue, check out this really ornate and cool subway station. Elizabeth did such a great job.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next Sunday. Bye.